Morning guys. Ito kami ng
Nakikita ka dyan,
Shanghai.
ikaw. Marami na
Magkano tayo ng Shanghai?
Ano ka dyan.
Ayan.
Alam mo pamimigay to, hindi.
Yeah.
Ko.
Para makatikim-tikim na. 2 buwan na hindi nakakatikim ng Shanghai eh. Kaya kailangan magluto tayo ng Shanghai.
Where did you get that scarf?
Pupos-pus ka dyan.
Yeah.
That's not a scar, it's a birthmark.
She genuinely doesn't remember.
Get
Yung
out!
asawa ko, busy-busy sa paggagayat ng pang-spaghetti niya. Oh. Merinda daw mamaya. Ayan o. Kaway-kaway ba?
I want you to check something. Where did you get that scarf?
Electric pan, ang
Whoever I
liit.
am, you're mine.
Matutuyo yung ano mo.
Ridiculous. He's haunting
Hindi
me.
pwede mag-trip pag titigas.
Eh, kaya pala
Noah
eh.
Clark's identity has no apparent weakness. How can I shake him? Noah Clark. Let's see, the Clark Group. One of these people can take him on. The most influential in Haicheng are the Youngs.
Ayan.
I just need to get to Chairman Young.
Habang day off, luto-luto ng konti. Ayos yan.
Hey, babe. Are you sure these two are getting in trouble at work?
Oliver Young, gang member. What's Sophia doing with the mob trash? Wait. This is an opportunity.
Did I say you could stand up?
Luna, they will hurt you.
Yan.
I said,
Mr. Young?
you know me?
Luna Walker? We're not actually friends. Oliver?
Date. Yan. Ito pa lang. Ito pa lang yun na ano. Yan. Hindi pa tapos. Dami. 2 kilo. Shanghai. Yan. Yan.